Hey, my name is Rick. Today I'm going to be shopping at Community Natural Foods here at their 10th Avenue location. I like Community because they've got a wide variety of bulk pantry staples and it's super easy. So today I'm going to show you how to bring your own container and let's get started. I like shopping at Community because they've got great bulk household products and pantry essentials. I like to bring my own container because not only does it reduce waste, but it also saves money and you only fill up on the exact amount that you need. So let's get started.